Well, this is our team, conformed by Carlos Molina, Aaron Manzanare, Norman Guerrero, Sadiq Hernandez, and myself, Jonathan Castillo. The topics we will see today are: what is this project about? Our objectives of the project, the name of the project and studio, our logo, our experience doing the project, what did we learn about this project, the pros and cons of the project, the tools we use, the problems, the conclusion, and the analysis. For the first topic, we will let Norman talk about it.
Okay, what is this project about? We want to recover and preserve the rich culture of our country and interest in representing it through 3D animation of histories and tales. Our first project is animating the histories of Fabio Area Mantilla, called Pancho Marigal. Most of us already know Fabio Area, who Fabio Area is, and if you don't know who he is, he was the created the one who created Pancho Marigal on the broadcast radio, that our parents and grandparents hear the issue. Now we will talk about our work. We need to create a pilot episode to show you the culture Nicaragua. Promote the Nicaragua culture nationally and internationally through our animation. In a way, we audiovisual histories and techniques was audiovisual histories in audiovisual techniques and history. We want to establish a meaningful connection with our audience. Creating content that resonate with people and all ages. Now we will talk about our logo, or the name of our project and the studio. We put the name Pancho Marigal Animado. It's a 3D animation project dedicated to me, to live the episodes of the popular show, the radio program, Pancho Marigal. And the name of the studio, we decided to put Animaciones Coco. Decided to create a high quality visual content that presents the cultural heritage of the country and a fun way to live.
If we have a studio, we will need a low budget. Therefore, we have selected this logo from multiple design made for this kit, from the most we hope that no one will tell the world or reference in the project. During the process of working on this project, we went through several technical difficulties in which we spent a lot of time to solve things as the dimension. Using resources such as tutorial and internet forums. One of the challenges we faced was how to model and the character of Pancho María during the reading and animation fast. The phrase the shadow of a share, the last and the present moment. We were incorporated website for corporate in which we are
During the
using
radio to
design
television
to
page,
facilitate
we faced
access on an device.
Now we are going to talk about what we learned during this project. During all this time, we were able to develop some techniques, skills, and abilities that help us to carry this project out. For example, here we have 7 element series. First of all, we learned how to use Blender. It was our main tool for this project to make characters, animating, modeling, and so on. And inside this part, we learn, for example, the framing and angle of the cameras. We learn also the lighting techniques because it is an essential part for doing an animation. Because if you don't know how to light a whole scene, it will lose its quality. We also use Bootstrap. It was an essential part for making our website for our project. We also learned project management because we have to organize a team, sending some tasks to each member, and to accomplish them in a short term of time. We also have digital drawing. As you may know, when you design something, you will be having some ideas in past. So if you have an instant idea, you have to jot it down. And we decided to use this method, digital drawing, in using some software both in mobile and desktop means. And finally, we have the attention to people. As we wanted to know how to make a quality product, we used professional software for modeling, video editing, audio editing, image editing, and we think that the perfect thing is a quality model. Next up, we have the pros and the cons of our project. Let's start with the pros. We have this. First of all, we discover new arts. As programmers, we are not used to design. But with this project, we discovered some capabilities we have and we developed them in a good way. Then we have innovation. As part of our project, we saw that there were no other similar projects. So we think that bringing this to life is an innovative way to express our creativity and our capabilities of designing and storytelling. And finally, we have teamwork. It wasn't worked out because the production stage is the most delicate part of our work. So we have to get an organized team, organize ideas, organize tasks, and we think that we did it well. Next, we have the cons. First of all, we have at the beginning some difficulties with new softwares. We didn't have any experience about modeling or creating 3D models and stuff like that. But despite of that, we were researching, we were watching tutorials, reading, and finally we discovered the proper tools that were necessary to carry out this project. Second, we have the expenditure of resources. Of course, modeling is not a simple task. It requires a lot of hard work and especially time because rendering and seeing takes a lot of resources on your device. And finally, we have the risk. As we said before, we needed to use some specialized software, but some of them were paid, but others were not. So we downloaded some specialized video editing and image editing software from, let's say, another legal way. Now we will let you, or Paul and Jonathan, with the tools we used for this project.
Well, use this for the history board, and we try to animate one of the episodes of the series of National Caro, La Moneda del Diablo. We use Blender, it's our main tool for modeling characters and scenes, and finally Bootstrap for the making of the web page. I can say how we say the first one were Photoshop is made because we wanted to create some characters based on art, and because without designs we cannot make any model 3D. We need the ideas first for that, and we use Photoshop for some edits and Illustrator for the drawings. Also, we use Flipative for the make of the user drawings, and we use it to make short films of the episode that we said before. Now, Blender is our main tool. Obviously, it's the center of the project because in here we model the characters, the scenes, and we texturize it and we animate it. Here we are some examples, short films. Well, for the light you can see, there is a man in a bar drinking and a character walking in a forest. Sorry. And for the last two, I would like to say it's a little thought about. And we with that.
This person has a tool to make it easy to create a response and usually for a user interface without having to design everything from scratch. Things to each writing system, we were able to ensure that the page layout works properly as used for different sizes, improving the user experience on mobile and desktop devices. Additionally, using Bootstrap variables and lists allows users to using the appearance of the components. Now, the problem. Few resources. The project demanded more resources than expected in team of hardware, due to some of those that were at the same time created essence, and they have to connect on the other aspect of the project. Responsive design. Some element of the page, such as images, failed to display and different devices with some time to show with the use of the framework, and usually of the time. The production process and the development version too longer than expected, either due to the size of the film or because they directly present error. We shared with peer members situation though related you use will have to adapt. And now compartment in the 20% the conclusion of this project.
Well, the project, despite the problems we had, it's cooking smoothly, you can say that. We have the basis of the project, we have short film already made, and we hope that the pilot episode will be uploaded with the web page. So for that, we want the new generations to see that, and if we can, to other parents, and will see this for a way to enjoy them, because we're part of yes, of his children, and that's all. We have the annexes we will present it. Here's some image of we want to create some image of Blender.